Welcome to the new and improved Library Media Center coming to Fleetwood for the 2019-2020 school year. The library is in the process of getting a facelift so that we can provide access to more resources for all the students and faculty at Fleetwood. Unfortunately, in order for renovations to be done in time, the library is closed until the end of this school year. The good news is that we will still be operating remotely through your English classes, so you're still able to access all of our books and resources. First of all, we need to discuss renewing or returning library materials. First off, as always, you can make use of the drop box located outside the library across from the main office. Additionally, your English classes should have 2 bins located somewhere in the classroom. These bins will handle renewals and returns. If you need to return a book, simply place it in the return bin and they will be collected at the end of the day. Renewing books won't be as instantaneous. If you place a book in the renewal bin, it will be renewed and returned to the bin for you to collect the next day. You can also put in a request through your English teacher for a book that you need. First, search the library catalog to locate the book. For those of you unfamiliar with the library catalog, you can find it underneath the Library Resources tab on tigerlibrary.org. Simply use the catalog to search for titles, authors, or keywords, and once you find a title that you're interested in requesting, show this page to your English teacher so that they can put your request into the library. Your book will be delivered to your English class as soon as possible, usually by the next day. Thank you for everyone's help while the library completes its renovations. We are very excited to welcome you into the new space next year.